Well, if you look at the Indian rupee against the US dollar, it has depreciated by nearly 6.3% in 2025. In fact, in the last 15 years, there have been only 5 such instances where the Indian rupee has declined by more than 5% in any given calendar year. So, which are those years? Firstly, in 2025, we have seen a decline of 6.3%, 2022, 11.3% decline, 2018, a decline of 9.2%, 2013, 12.4% decline, and in 2011, we had seen a decline of around 18.7%. So how have the sectoral indices performed during such declines? So we have tried to analyze the declines across the major sectoral indices in the last 4 instances, that is in 2011, 2013, 2018 and 2022. So here are the key takeaways that is coming in when it comes to sectoral performance in those years. Firstly, Nifty FMCG has been a clear winner. It has been gaining in all those years and all those 4 instances, and average gains have been close to 13%. On the flip side, Nifty Real Estate Index has been a constant loser, has declined in all the 4 instances, and the average losses have been close to 32%. Now, Nifty IT, which is expected to be one of the clear beneficiaries of rupee depreciation, but when it comes to share price gain, the Nifty IT Index has managed to gain only 2 out of those 4 years or 4 instances that we have seen in past. Nifty Bank and Auto, similar gains 2 times out of 4 years, and when it comes to Nifty Metal and the Nifty Pharma Index, both these indices have managed to gain just 1 out of the 4 instances. Now, this is the performance that we see in those years, but what has been the follow-through impact first coming after the decline that we have seen in those years, which means that we are trying to see the impact of the performance of Indian rupee firstly for the first 3 months of the following year. Now, in the first 3 months of the following year, rupee has appreciated every time. The gains, if you look at for 2012, which is after the biggest decline that we had seen in 2011, rupee has managed to appreciate by around 4%. In 2014, after the major decline in 2013, for the first 3 months, rupee has appreciated by around 3%. In 2019, it appreciated by 0.9%, and in 2023, it appreciated by around 0.7%. So after the steep decline that we are seeing currently in 2025, the trend at least suggests that we could see some appreciation at least in the first 3 months of 2026. And how have the sectoral indices performed? Nifty FMCG, again, a clear winner in the first 3 months of the following year. Average gains of 5.5%. Every year, it has managed to gain. Nifty IT Index has managed to gain 3 out of the last 4 years, out of the last 4 instances, and average gains have been around 3%. For Nifty Bank and Nifty Real Estate, both these indices have gained 3 out of the 4 instances, and the average gains have been close to 10 to 12%. And when it comes to Nifty Pharma, Nifty Auto and Nifty Metal, they have managed to gain anywhere between 2 to 3 out of the 4 instances, and average gains have been anywhere between 1 to 5%.
All right, then, thank you.